Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq, coming to you live from Exchange in Miami. Joining us for this segment, we have Jon Fee, Chief Marketing Officer at VettaFi, and we're here to discuss the future of ETF distribution and marketing, as well as higher level trends that we're seeing in the space for 2024. Jon, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thank you for having me.
All right, you got it. Let's talk about the Exchange Conference specifically. What are some of the higher level trends that you've seen this year?
Oh my gosh, you can't make a move in this place without talking about Bitcoin ETFs, especially given the news year to date. Another trend that I consistently hear from both advisors attending as well as issuers, they're having 3 months of meetings in 3 days and everyone's exhausted because this is the last day.
Yeah, it is. This always feels like a reunion every year when you come. So
100%.
It's a lot of fun, but to your point, it's a marathon.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the future of distribution, particularly where we have so many new entrants. We're seeing the growth in the ETF industry.
Yeah.
What does that look like? How it's evolving?
Yeah, I think it's all evolving around one word, and that word is data. More and more issuers, more and more advisors are building their businesses with a single source of truth, data, to drive next best action to drive growth for them.
What about trends in marketing from the lens of, let's say, a new entrant into this space?
Scaled personalization is the big trend right now.
And how are they achieving that? I mean, how can you be competitive as a newer entrant relative to some of the largest asset managers on the planet that are here?
Yeah, this is where we're going to go back to basics, the core of your business, the client. Stay customer-centric, focus on the product second, but what does the customer need, and build solutions, build messaging, build your marketing, tailoring towards that client, and then figuring out how to scale that personalization to more and more and more clients.
And I would imagine AI is part of that conversation
as well. Of course, yes,
yeah.
AI is probably, well, God, what was it? Probably the acronym of 2023. Everyone's talking about AI.
What about fixed income ETFs? I heard a lot about active management in general, but fixed income in particular, particularly with the composure of the fixed income market changing now.
Yeah, quoting what I've heard thus far, it's still extremely early days for bond ETFs relative to the growth that we've seen on the equity side. Massive runway, it's long and wide, and it's the time of innovation. Slice and dice more fixed income markets and put those building blocks out there.
All right, Jon, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks.
Always a pleasure.
And thanks for joining me from Exchange. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.